Good morning everyone. Today we are the students of 5th Carnations doing SS Scholastic activity of chapter 6, the frigid zone of the world. Today I will explain you about the location, the map. The frigid zone is located in the 90° north to 66.5° north and 90° south to 66.5° south. It is located in between. We also can see it is located between the North Pole and the Arctic Circle and South Pole and the Antarctic Circle. It is found in the Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Denmark, Russia, Sweden, and Finland. And the South Frigid Zone is located in the Antarctica. It is very slanting and there is no vegetation.
The northern frigid zone is situated between the Arctic Circle 66 1/2 to north.
Today I will tell you about fauna in the frigid zones. Fauna means native animals of a particular region. The animals in frigid zones have a thick layer of fur called blubber to survive in cold living conditions. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Now I will tell you about fauna. The animals surviving in the frigid regions have adapted extreme cold conditions. Second, few animals of northern hemisphere are the reindeer, the bear fox, etc.
Today I will tell you about fauna. Fauna means native animal of particular region. The animals surviving in frigid region have adapted to extreme cold conditions. I will tell you about fauna. Fauna means a native animal of a particular region. The animals surviving in the frigid regions have adapted to extreme cold conditions. Few animals in the frigid regions are
Reindeer,
mouse, bear, fox, etc.
Today I will tell about fauna. Fauna means native plant, native animal. The animal found in northern hemisphere are bear, polar bear.
Today I will tell you about the life in the frigid region. Life in the frigid region is very harsh and difficult. Due to this, very few people choose to live here.
Life in the frigid zone is very harsh and difficult. Due to this, very people choose to live in the northern hemisphere. Many people choose to live in the coastal areas. The life of the people in the northern hemisphere are good at trapping and hunting. Bows and arrows are made up of wood and
Life in the frigid zone very harsh due to the
extreme cold temperature
extreme cold
temperature
due to that very few people
choose to live here.
The vegetation mostly consists of dormant plants. It is impossible to grow crops, herb, soil.
Flora is the foundation of all others for life in an area. Flora means native plants of a particular region.
Its vegetation mostly consists of dormant plants. It is impossible to crops grow here because the soil is frozen. Because throughout the year, tall trees cannot grow in this region due to hard spells.
The vegetation mostly consists dormant of the plant. They from the tender vegetation.
Today I will tell you about flora. Flora means the native plants of a particular region. It is mostly consists of dormant plants. It is impossible to grow crops here because soil is frozen almost throughout the year. Today I will tell about flora. Flora means native plants of a particular region. The soil is frozen throughout the year. Tall trees cannot grow in this region.
Life in frigid zone. Life in frigid zone is very harsh and difficult due to extreme cold. So few people chose here live.